Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As CBSE has declared the result of class 12, students are turning up to the schools with sweets. They're distributing sweets to their teachers, to the school principal, as well as to their classmates. They are congratulating them. They are getting the wishes from the teachers. So we will try to talk to the best scorers who have scored well in these class 12th exams. Yumna, you are the topper over here with 99.4% in commerce. How you are feeling?
I'm feeling great, sir. It's a great feeling.
So you were expecting that you will score the highest score.
Not at all, sir. I was expecting like 95 to 96 के बीच में आ जाएगा, but not 99. It's I was caught off the guard when I got that score.
How you? What were your preparations for the exams? How you prepared for it?
So preparations, to be honest, that yes, I took the school pre-boards a bit seriously, especially the second pre-board. I made sure that my entire syllabus was done by that time. And during my preparation, my most important focus was also on revision, like continuous revision and then moving on to the next topic. And PYQs, CBSE sample papers, they can never go out of the trend, as we say. And I think that's what really helped me.
Which was your difficult part, and the you selected the part which you devoted more time to it.
So I think I devoted most of my time towards accountancy, and yes, accountancy was for me one of the hardest things that I felt in commerce. Otherwise, I did have maths as well, and maths was the second subject to which I gave the most amount of attention to.
As today we see that the students they have maximum access to the information due to social media and others. At our times we do not have that access. How you see that it is a good or it is a negative point that you have a source of distraction also.
Sir, I think that just as a coin has two sides, the excess information that also has two sides to it. First thing is that of course excess information also means you have access to social media, Instagram, LinkedIn. So that can be a deviation for you. But also on the other side, if you have internet, you have access to sample papers of more than 20 years. Like that's what really helped me, as I said. So you have information, and moreover, connection towards your teachers becomes so easier. So information online can be both negative and positive, depends upon how you use it.
So according to you, what is the optimum use of social media?
As in,
As in, like you get distracted or you have the access to information. What is your suggestion to the youngsters and how they can optimum make the optimum use of the social media internet?
so most of the youngsters, they are on Instagram. So one thing that they can really do is that you have to completely download the app only once a week. Otherwise, you have to delete it from your gallery because you're bound to be distracted if you have that. So that would be my suggestion, that you delete the apps for when you don't need them.
Now, what is your aim further? How you're going to pursue for your further target?
So right now the aim is CUET, and we hope that we can excel in that.
After commerce, like what do you have idea what you want to become? You want to go into entrepreneurship or other?
So the idea right now is if I get a good degree from economics honors, that's what I'm aiming for, so that I can make a career in banking, reforms, and policy making. That's what I'm aiming for. Thank you.
It's feel very great and honor कि अगर किसी ने मेहनत करी है and they get a success in their dedication and the hard work.
You are yourself a chartered accountant, and your daughter has scored a higher score in commerce. So she will also pursue the same profession, or she's going into a different profession.
It's their choice. Right now they have many opportunities with them. It will be their decision. Now in this era, the students, the kids, they have their own aim. They don't focus on their family. It was in our time when we used to listen from our parents and do things. Now it's the students' time. They tell us what they want to do and how they want to achieve this.
Vidushi, you have scored 99.2% in commerce. How you are feeling?
I'm feeling great. I am feeling very happy and I'm quite satisfied with my result.
So you were expecting that you will score you will be the among highest scorer.
Yeah, I was expecting 99% plus. So yeah, it is 99%.
So how you are prepared for your this plus two exams?
Okay, so first of all, your books matter. Like the major books you have, instead of going for too many books, refer to your NCRT and the school reference books. First of all, that helps. Then I always believe in quality over quantity. That even if you're studying for 1 hour, but that 1 hour should be productive instead of studying the whole day. So yes, quality over quantity matters. And third, only academics does not matter. You need to do something co-curriculars because that keeps you refreshed. Like I was the head girl of my school, so I've been doing a lot of events, a lot of competitions along with academics. So I think so that competitions and events have actually helped me कि भाई अब competition बहुत हो गए, पढ़ लो. So that was a regeneration also, but a motivation also. So yeah.
As of now, students have a lot of access to the information. There is social media. There is much access to the information. At our times, we do not have that much access. How you see it is a good or it is a negative point that on other side you can't focus on exact information.
So every coin has two sides. So of course, yes, social media has its positives, but it also has its negatives. I would not say ki do not use it at all. I use it, of course I do. I have a small business called Upahar, gifting brand. So of course for that I have to use social media. But if all has to be in a balance, it has to be balanced. You should know how much time to spend on what things.
So, what do you want to do further now after clearing your commerce with higher scores? What are your further plans?
I want to be an entrepreneur in future. As I said, I already have a gifting business. I am a very passionate artist, so I would love to take that art forward, combining it with my commerce skills to be a creative entrepreneur.
How you will going to achieve your aim? Like now further, which college or which university you are going to work?
I am preparing for entrance examination, CUET for Delhi University. So I'm planning to do BCom honors from Delhi University.
What is your message to the youngsters? How they should come forward, how they should achieve their aim?
Okay, to all the youngsters, please know that academics is not your life. Although I am standing with a good score, but still this is not your life. You need to have good relations. You should be respectful to people around you. And study well, that's important, but respect your teachers. Also believe in yourself. अगर आपने कुछ ठान लिया है तो वो पक्का होगा. And believe in God. God is there with you. Thank you.
So these were some high scorers, some top scorers who have scored well in the different streams in class 12th exam of CBSE. So you are watching The Suvera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.